Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is unity that holds. The question I want to ask is, what really holds a church together? Is it culture, music, programs, personalities? See, Jesus and Paul gives a very different answer. In Philippians chapter 1:27, Paul urges believers to stand fast in one spirit with one mind, striving together for the faith of the gospel. Notice something. He doesn't say agree on everything. He says stand firm in the gospel. Now listen to Jesus in John chapter 17 to 19. On the night before the cross, he prays, sanctify them by your truth. Your word is truth. See, Jesus knew something crucial. Unity without truth is fragile, but unity built on truth is unbreakable. See, friends, truth doesn't divide when it's lived. It sanctifies. It reshapes pride into humility, selfishness into service, and opinion into obedience. Paul and Jesus are saying the same thing. The church is united not by compromise, but by consecration, not by lowering the standard, but by living the word together. See, when God's truth shapes our lives, we don't have to force unity. It happens naturally, because hearts surrendered to the same truth will always move in the same direction. So if we want real unity in the church, the answer isn't less truth, it's more lives transformed by it. God bless.